You can see I have just one slide here to share with you today. This is explaining how our organizers work externally to the AWS calendar invite server. Organizers conceptually are people that have calendar clients and want to inject data into the calendar invite server and then use the calendar invite server itself and its services in 9 APIs down here, either build out service framework with regards to applications or use custom lambdas for particular workflows within their AWS accounts. That would allow them to send out transactional and marketing calendar invites here in the middle. And or use embedded web calendar invites, which we invented using our tech stack that allow for one button click calendar invites to be sent off of embedded web pages. So we'll get started here. So conceptually, external users, they're using their personal clients or business clients. They are using a common drop-off box. In this case here in our demo system we've created is create@calendarsnack.com. That is a configured inbound SES box to ingest calendar invite information here on the left. And what happens when this calendar invite data is sent to the box itself, we actually disassemble it and store it to be used in the future. Kind of a really kind of core concept to grasp. And then in the future, when it's called using a single calendar invitation send, that API is hit, it's requested from the gateway here, and then we go back here and actually reassemble the calendar invite based on its UID on the fly and send it out as a new calendar invite, either to an email list or from an embedded calendar invitation and web page. That goes out to the outbound SES setup, and we track that data. Now, all that track data comes back through the gateway under RSVP data collection, and then we store it and then visualize it using these other APIs down here in our API runbook collection, if you will. So again, the exercise here is organizer sends a calendar invite to a configured SES mailbox. The data is disassembled, assigned a UID, and stored in the future for the future of calendar invite sending on the AWS calendar invite server. Any changes to the calendar invite data event from the organizer's calendar client that was used specifically with this service are, if they are updated in the calendar invite server using the UID, that calendar invite data then would be reflowed under update or canceled here. It would be disassembled again, reassembled, and if anybody else downstream received a calendar invite, we would actually send it out again using the outbound calendar invite service we set up. So that's it for this slide. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with us.